Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using FIG Loans Express Loans. Here's my take on FIG Loans Express Loans. FIG Loans provides a convenient online platform for accessing quick, short-term loans. This service is particularly geared towards individuals who might not meet the requirements for traditional bank loans. The application process is entirely online and incredibly fast, with approvals frequently granted within minutes. Funding typically follows within one business day, streamlining the entire borrowing experience. Loan amounts through FIG Loans range from $300 to $1,500, offering some flexibility depending on your needs. Repayment terms typically extend from 3 to 12 months, which provides a more manageable repayment schedule compared to the shorter terms often associated with standard payday loans. One of the key advantages of FIG Loans is its willingness to work with borrowers who have less than perfect credit. Unlike many payday lenders that rely heavily on credit scores, FIG Loans places greater emphasis on your current financial situation and demonstrated ability to repay. This approach makes FIG Loans a potentially viable option for individuals grappling with bad credit who require access to emergency funds. However, it's crucial to understand the trade-offs associated with short-term loans like those offered by FIG Loans. These loans carry high interest rates, which can range from 150% to a substantial 799% April, depending on the specific terms of your loan and your state of residence. Repayments are structured as fixed monthly installments, which can be beneficial for budgeting purposes. Knowing precisely how much you owe each month simplifies financial planning and helps you stay on track. Furthermore, FIG Loans reports to credit bureaus, meaning consistent, on-time payments can potentially contribute to improving your credit score over time. FIG Loans is well suited for individuals needing rapid access to funds but who lack access to traditional lending options due to a poor credit history. However, due to the high interest rates, these loans should be considered a last resort, strictly for emergency situations. It's essential to thoroughly review the complete terms and conditions and ensure you possess the capacity to repay the loan within the stipulated timeframe. Failure to do so can result in additional fees and further financial complications. In conclusion, FIG Loans can serve as a valuable tool for obtaining immediate financial relief, but it's crucial to remember that this convenience comes at a cost. Carefully evaluate your options and thoroughly assess your ability to manage the repayment obligations before committing to a loan. Make an informed decision that aligns with your financial capabilities.